Hello viewers, welcome to Aniza's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Facebook. In this video, I will show you which is the best app to go live on YouTube. Right, go live in Google Chrome and open the website. Or click the link in the description to open the site. Click on Home tab, open Dashboard, enter email and password. You will get a verification email on that email address which you have entered. After verification, sign in. From here, you can book live slots, select your billing, and then select currency. Enter your number and place order. I hope you find my video easy and informative. For more videos, like and subscribe to Aniza's Tech Tutorials.